Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to save a crosshair on Crosshair X. Alright, so first up, when we go ahead and open up Crosshair X right here, let's say you have selected one of these featured or top crosshair available from Crosshair X. Let's say this one. So the moment you clicked on it, it will be automatically used and saved as your default crosshair. Okay, of course for Crosshair X alone. Now, let's say you have edited a crosshair. Okay, let's go ahead over to one of these crosshairs right here. Maybe this one. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and go to designer. Now, let's say I'm going to go ahead and add in a center dot. Okay, I'm going to change the opacity like so. Change the color, lower the blur, and here we have it. Now, to save it, okay, you have the save button right here at the top. Click on save. Give it a name. Now click on save once more. Now to find your saved crosshair, just go ahead over to the left panel, click on crosshairs. Now you have it here under saved tab. Okay, and here we have it. That's how easy it is to save a crosshair here in Crosshair X. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.